I messed up.
Keep rolling. No.
You're supposed to be my director.
Oh no, I know how that goes.
Hi, I'm Keely, and this is the Artist Fun channel where art it is fun. I'm going to do a Valentine's centerpiece. It doesn't have to be just for Valentine's Day. It can also be for any other occasion that, you know, like an anniversary or beautiful romantic dinner. So stick around. Okay. The first thing you're going to need to do is make yourself a base. And this base, I did a video and I'm going to put the link above so you can follow to go watch. And once you got your base finished, you want to gather everything that you bought. And I got this at the Dollar Tree. You can also go to craft stores like Michael's or Joann's. They sometimes have some really good deals, things on sale or clearance. I picked up Love You letters and I've already started attaching it. This is a metal tin heart. I bought a couple big heart shapes. These are flimsy, Velcro. A teddy bear, I thought that was really cute. I Love You balloon. I found these really cool heart-shaped lights and it's battery operated. It's really cool. And a bunch of ribbon. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with these yet, but I'm just going to go with it and see what works. And I got some floral wire, floral pins. And I found this in the floral section as well. These little decorative pieces, the sticks. And I've got, at the Dollar Tree, they've got this brand Jot over in their school supply section, and they have this really cool glitter paper. And it's got an adhesive back. And I'm gonna cut it, so I have a razor blade and a metal ruler to help get a straight line. And I'm gonna cut it to hide this floral foam. So I'm put the decorative pieces on top so you don't put it on top. And then I'm gonna take these skewers, and I got different size skewers, large and medium, and I painted it silver. It doesn't have to be silver if you prefer red, green, white, whatever. I wanted it silver because I thought it would go really well with everything. But I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna take these little foam hearts and I'm gonna glue them together on the stick and use that for decorative pieces. Same with this. Some I'm going to save to put on the table. It's called Scatter. And I found these really cute little candy pieces. It looks like the ones we eat, you know, but it's foam. And it says the same thing, the same words on it. Hug me, be mine, kiss me. Foam hearts. I grabbed the candy lollipop, see how that would go. I love the different colors. Roses, and this is a balloon weight. It's used, you tie your balloon to the metal piece in the middle to keep your balloons from floating away. I'm going to use that as a filler. Now it's time to put it together. Grab our base. I'm going to do the dowel first, so the decorative. I love this ribbon. So I'm going to put it all the way around. Let's see, I think I like the arrows going up, not down. See the arrows? I don't know if you can see that. The arrows. Oh. So I'm going to cut a certain amount off. And I'm going to have the arrows going up. This way. I'm going to put some glue. There we go. Nice and beautiful. Top now. And there's the neat hearts. Put these guys. Stay right there for me. You. Oh, the teddy bear. We gotta do the teddy bear so you can set up. Take it and cut a hole. And stick to stick. Right there. I'm gonna put some glue. Just to make sure it stays. And I'm gonna let him rest over here. Alright, I've already attached the letters "Love You" to the metal heart with clear fishing string. Now I want to attach, I'm going to try to hide some of the pole, so I'm going to attach this to it. And I'm going to make sure that the glitter line is showing because it's not on the back. See? Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's beautiful. And we're going to attach it. Now when I attach this, I'm going to glue it, but I'm going to use some wire to hold it. Now I'm going to take this side and put some glue all the way around. Okay? Take the glue gun. And just put it all over the way around. Put it in here a little bit. Now we're going to work on the base. First we need to hide the base. So we're going to put glitter paper, and it has an adhesive back. And what you can do is you're going to cut it down to the size of that. Now I take the straight edge that I didn't cut with my razor blade and put that at the top part so you have a nice even edge, just in case you don't have an even edge on the bottom. Of course, you peel it off. See? There you go. Because the top's not going to be showing at all once you get done putting everything on. Very nice. It's beautiful. Like I said, I start with the tallest. And so I'm going to use this decorative wood, decorative pieces I found. I'm going to start just putting it in.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
There you go. Do the kissy face.
And there you go. It was fun putting this together, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I also hope that it'll help you if you decide to do a centerpiece of your own. I'll be doing a lot more of these for other occasions, movies, just anything you can think of. Comment below and see if I can do it. I love the challenge. So like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And thank you for watching.
I watch you as you